Welcome to GooeyTrade and the MatchTrader platform video series. In this video, we will take a look at the TradingView integration on MatchTrader. You will have seen our previous videos on MatchTrader with respect to an overview, charting, and other options. We covered all the basics including time frames, price action, graphics, and indicators. You will note a switch for TradingView, which gives you the option of using either the MatchTrader platform or the TradingView platform. Switch to TradingView and you will note the differences. Let's expand to a full screen chart. The time frame and price action options are the same as the MatchTrader platform, but that's where the similarities end. For example, click on the chart settings gear wheel and you will find a huge variety of options. Under Symbol, you may change the color of your candle bodies and wicks. Among others, you may change the time zone to your convenience. Under Status Line, you may hide or show each option. Under Scales, you have some very handy options allowing you to show or hide the symbol name, the symbol last price, the high and low price, and the countdown to the current bar or candle close. Under Canvas, you may change the background color and display session breaks. You may also set the navigation buttons to be invisible, always visible, or visible on mouse over. As we scroll across, we see the zoom functions and the scroll functions on each chart. As well, the settings can be accessed at any time by right-clicking anywhere on the chart. Speaking of zoom, you may compress the price y-axis on any chart by dragging with your mouse. You may use your mouse scroll wheel to zoom in and zoom out. If you hold the Control or Command key on your keyboard while using the mouse scroll wheel, price action will zoom in and zoom out with the mouse cursor at the vertical center. Another unique feature is the Compare Symbols, which you may access by clicking the plus button. Simply search for the other symbol and select it here. Here, for example, you may compare similar symbols to look for trading opportunities like Bitcoin versus Bitcoin Cash, or WTI versus Brent Crude, or gold versus silver, or 3 different yen pairs. The possibilities are endless. Turn them off here. You will note that TradingView has a completely separate toolbar for graphics, and there is a huge variety like trend lines and Fibonacci. We will examine these in more detail in a separate video. And while MatchTrader has an impressive array of indicators, TradingView takes this to the next level and beyond. We will cover these in another video as well. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this GooeyTrade MatchTrader video series, and don't forget to like, subscribe, get notified, and check out our other videos on MatchTrader.